Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Amino Plus subscription. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Amino application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Amino? You can find the app on Google Play Store or Apple Store, and that's depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Amino and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page in the app, where you're going to be requested to either log in or to sign up. Use any of the steps and sign in. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Amino. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to cancel Amino Plus subscription. Now, if you want to cancel your Amino Plus subscription, of course, after purchasing Amino Plus, I'd like you to know that you cannot cancel the subscription right in the Amino application. That means you have to go to the store that you downloaded Amino on. Let's say if you're using Android, then that's going to be Google Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, it's going to be Apple Store. So head over to, for me, I'm going to use Play Store. So launch your Play Store, and once you launch your Play Store, I'm going to let you in on the next step to take. So click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and that's going to display an extended menu: manage apps and devices, notifications and offers, payment and subscriptions. So go ahead and click on payment and subscriptions. Then in here, go ahead and click on subscriptions. Now, I do not have any subscription here, but if you do, you're definitely going to find your subscriptions here, and you can follow through with the prompts to cancel Amino subscription from there. Or you can click on budget and history. So all your Play purchases, including Amino Plus, is going to be displayed here. So just go ahead and tap Amino Plus and follow through with the prompts to cancel from here. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.